This tutorial demonstrates how to repeatedly run a ScrapeMap on a schedule using a task. Let's begin the tutorial by opening a ScrapeMap. I'm going to use the least expensive camera ScrapeMap that was created in the Create and Run Your First ScrapeMap video tutorial. But you can follow along with any ScrapeMap. After you have opened a ScrapeMap, open the Properties dialog and select the Task tab. A ScrapeMap task utilizes Windows Task Scheduler to run a ScrapeMap in the background at an interval you define. Let's create a task for this ScrapeMap by clicking on the New Task button. This Is Enabled option controls if that task will run or not. This is ideal if you wish to temporarily disable your task while keeping the task data intact. Let's leave it checked for now. The task trigger type specifies the interval at which you want your ScrapeMap to run. Changing this value changes your subsequent task options. You can choose between multi-daily, daily, weekly, or monthly. For this example, let's select daily. Let's run the ScrapeMap every day, and let's start the task 2 minutes from now. Select OK. In order to update the scheduled task, you must save the ScrapeMap. Coming back to my computer after 2 minutes, if I look at the Excel file for my least expensive camera example, I'll notice that it has been updated. Also, if I browse to the Log tab in the Properties dialog, I can see that this ScrapeMap has been run. Because we don't want our example task to continue to run, we should delete it. Browse to the Task tab in the Properties dialog and select Delete to delete this task. Select OK. Make sure to save your sample ScrapeMap to commit the task deletion. It should be noted that schedule ScrapeMaps will only run if your computer is on and not in sleep mode. Task will not run if your computer is in sleep mode. If your computer is off or in sleep mode when a task is scheduled, the task will run the next time your computer is powered on. This concludes the tutorial. Additional information about ScrapeMate's functionalities can be found in subsequent video tutorials or by browsing to ScrapeMate's Learning Center.